Hi everyone, I'm Justin from VXT, and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to use the schedule node in the call flow builder. This feature is a game changer for managing incoming calls based on your business hours. Let's dive in. So first, look for the admin section at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. And then, look for the call flow builder. Now, in the call flow builder, click New Call Flow. To start making your call flow, click on the plus icon under Incoming Call. And then, hit Schedule. Click on Configure and input your office hours. For me, it's gonna be 11 AM to 8 PM. Make sure to check if it's the correct time zone. Hit on Save. Now here's where the magic happens. If a caller reaches his action during specified hours, the corresponding path will run. If not, it will follow the outside hours path. So for me, I want my calls to ring the users first. And then if it's unanswered, I want it to be sent directly to voicemail. And during outside hours, I also want it to be sent directly to voicemail. So hit on Connect, hit Send to Voicemail. Now, what if I want my calls during lunch to be diverted to another number? To do that, we have to find the advanced view. Now hit on Schedule, and then switch to advanced view. Here, you can drag the times for each day or set them up manually. Like I said, I want my calls during lunch to be diverted to another number. To do that, we have to add a new window. Now, hit Add, and then I'm gonna name it Lunch. Don't forget to also name your other window. It's gonna be inside hours for me. Now, just highlight Lunch, and then I'm just gonna drag 3 PM to 4 PM because that's when I usually go to lunch. So, hit on Save, and that's it. It will now create a new path for lunch. So like I said, I want my calls during lunch to be diverted to another number. Now click the plus icon and then click Divert. Now just select the phone number that you want your calls to be diverted to. For me, I'm gonna divert it to Chelsea. Lastly, don't forget to name your call flow. I'm gonna name it Mainline. And that's it. That's how you use the schedule node in the call flow builder. Thanks for watching.